For 2023, Kia Soul is powered by a single powertrain. The efficient 2-liter inline 4-cylinder produces 147 horsepower through the front wheels. Kia's intelligent variable transmission is standard across all variants. Arriving later this summer, it features refreshed design elements inside and out, a simplified lineup, new smile-inducing colors, and 2 option packages brimming with technology and convenience. Soul redefined the boxy small car segment when it was first launched in 2009 and has evolved steadily since, appealing to customers across generations with its edgy good looks, practicality, and efficiency. Pricing will be announced closer to the vehicle's on-sale date. Soul has always been set apart by its bold yet functional design, and the 2023 model year continues that tradition with an all-new front fascia. The new grille is set off with available LED headlights and redesigned fog lights. New daytime running lamps and turn signals round out the front-end redesign. New available 17 and 18-inch alloy wheels and a redesigned rear fascia and taillights complete the exterior enhancements. A multitude of solid and two-tone exterior paint schemes remain and are complemented by new two-tone paint programs: Clear White with Fusion Black Roof, and Surf Blue with a Fusion Black Roof. Inside, what worked best remains and what has changed has made a good thing better. Logically placed switchgear falls readily to hand, while the 10.25-inch, standard on all but LX trim, touchscreen with navigation is a welcome addition to the tech-forward cabin.
Subscribe now to Auto TV.